Hi everyone, Remy here. Today's recipe is going to be healthy romaine chicken wrap. It's quick, fresh and packed with flavor, and let's make a quick wrap which take less than 15 minutes. So here I've taken 2 chicken breasts, wash it and cut it into small dice. Next I'm taking a tablespoon of oil in a skillet. Once it's heated, we'll add the chicken. Next I'm adding salt and black pepper and let the chicken cook. So here I'm going to add the veggies here. I've taken celery, then we have carrots and green peppers, bell peppers, and these are sweet peppers also, just for adding little colors, and it brings really nice flavor to the wrap. So don't miss any ingredients. Here you have the celery, carrot, and here you can see the chicken is done. Now I'm going to add oil and garlic cloves finely chopped, and we're going to saute until it's light brown. Next I'm going to add all the vegetables here. It's so rich in nutrients. Here you can see all the vegetables are there, and this is a very fantastic way to make your kids eat vegetables. So I have a picky eater who will gorge on the chickens but not on the vegetable, but this made them eat all vegetables. So here I've taken 3 tablespoons soy sauce, then I have Siracha 2 tablespoons and maple syrup 3 tablespoons. This is the ratio that you have to use to make a balanced dressing, or the flavors that you have to bring to this recipe. It's really good, very subtle. It's not that there's no too much of spice from the sriracha or not too much of sugar, sweet taste from the maple syrup. Everything is in balance. Just add the same ratio and you'll enjoy this. Now add the chicken that we cooked before to this mixture. Vegetables are lightly cooked because we don't want that crunchy taste, else the boy is going to, my kid's going to take it out. So I want the vegetables to be cooked. It's perfect, And now I'm going to add or garnish sesame seed here. Sesame has its own benefits, like you get a lot of calcium from it. So it's really good to add sesame seeds here. Finally, it's done. It smells so good. Very less ingredients we used here. If you can see the spice that we used, the seasoning, it's really good. Now we have this romaine hearts. I like this because it has big leaves like this. So we can add the chicken like this, and I'm going to add here chili oil. Just drizzle few drops for extra flavor. And my boys wanted cheese on top, so you can either add hummus here, or you can make a different dressing to add to this. So we kept it simple, and yet it's so delicious and made so quickly. You get fresh flavors in every bite. It's perfect for lunch or dinner, and it's a very quick meal. So like, follow and share for more easy recipes. Stay tuned for more quick and healthy meals that's coming to you soon.